people. How is your day going? Mine is doing good because I'm on a roll with these unboxings. And I got, well, you wouldn't know what this is by looking at it. I got the January 2019 Target beauty boxes. Now, if you don't know what that is, every month, typically like the first Monday of the month, Target releases their beauty boxes, and they're typically around $7. Sometimes there might be one, sometimes there might be two, sometimes there's four. This month there is two boxes. Sometimes you get a men's box, but this month is, I believe one is like a skincare and one is more of like a beauty box, if I can remember, and they were both $7. And sometimes it depends on who curates the box, they are $10. And then on the holidays, they are typically $14.99 and up. But normally they're $7 a piece, and that's what this is. All right, Ann, stop the babbling and open her up. So let's see what is in here. I kind of forgot like what is actually in these boxes. If you don't follow me, make sure you are subscribed, because in my community tab, I typically let you know when the Target boxes do drop. That way you guys don't miss it, because sometimes they do sell out fairly quickly. As I'm recording this video, they are still there, so I will make sure to leave it down below. All right, so here are the two beauty boxes. All right, I don't know which is what, so I'm just going to open this puppy up right here. And let me know how you like this lighting. I typically do my videos like about 10 o'clock at night when I have time, but I started making videos at 8 o'clock this morning. It is now about 9 o'clock, so I am doing a natural light, so let me know. All right, so this is what this box looks like right there. It is yellow, which is really nice. It's like a springy color. And so you get this right here. It tells you what everything is, and then you always get a $3 off if you spend $15 or more on cosmetics, skincare, and hair care, so that's good. All right. So I believe this is the skincare one, I think. I don't remember. So there we go. I mean, this is pretty good for $7, guys. All right, so this is a little sample of Cotton Rounds, which actually this is the brand that I do get, so I really do like it. Does it have prices like what full size is? I don't remember. Let's see. Where are you? No, it just says Up and Up Premium Cotton Rounds. Dual-sided design is strong, soft, lint-free, making it to go for all skincare. Now, it's not lint-free because sometimes when I am putting on my toner, I get some lint on there. So it's definitely not lint-free, but it is okay. All right. The next thing I'm pulling up is a body wash by Method Body, and this is a nice size sample. And this just says infused with puny, rose water, and pink sea salt. This purifying body wash leaves skin thoroughly moisturized and smelling fresh. I thought it said harsh at first. I'm like, what? Oh, that does smell. Oh, that smells so good. That actually smells like rose or something. I don't know, but I'm definitely excited to try this. And this is really a really good sample size. It's filled up. All right. The next thing is a full-size deodorant. This is Love, Beauty, and Planet right there. I've never tried this. It says new 24-hour odor protection, no aluminum, which is good. It's no metal. That is great. Argan oil and lavender. It's relaxing. Let's smell this. It says it's new. I feel like I have like a piece of hair. Okay, why can't I get this open? Oh my God, why? Why? I can't. And it's, Jesus. Okay, so this flew off, and that smells good too. This smells just like lavender. That's good. All right, so that's exciting. So full size, this probably pays for the box right there, $7. All right, four more things. Wow. All right, so this is a Maybelline Master Precise All Day eyeliner. So it is a sample size, which I think that's okay because for me at least, I don't go through eyeliners. They usually go bad before I go through them because we usually get them a lot in subscriptions. So it just says ultra thin brush tip allows for perfect application so you can create a smooth, even cat eye every time. I don't do wing eyeliners. I'm not good at it. I have slightly hooded eyes, but typically if I do use these felt tips, I just put them on top of my eyes. I'm not wearing any today. but that's what it looks like. So I've tried this before and I really like it, and I will use it. That's why I showed you what that looks like. All right, the next thing we got is this activated charcoal. Of course, this is sample size right here. It's a travel size. Activated charcoal helps freshen breath, combat plaque, and oh my God, every video I've been doing, I've been stuttering over my words. Maybe I should do my videos at night. Okay, whitens your teeth for picture perfect smile. So there we go. I don't like charcoal toothpaste. So I don't know if I'll put this in a giveaway. Maybe it's something that you don't want in a giveaway. Let me know down in the comments below. Would you guys like to see this in a giveaway? Let me know. All right. The next thing we got, which I love this so much. This is by Palmer's. This is Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. My husband uses this all the time. When he gets out of the shower, he puts this on. I put this on when I get out of the shower. I love this so much. And it's just cocoa butter, vitamin E, and natural oils work to improve the appearance of scars and help even skin tone. So you can say hello to a radiant complexion. Maybe my 4th or 5th video, I will definitely get it right. Jeez. But no, honestly, this is really, really good. If you have dry skin, this is good. I mean, I don't put this on my face, but I definitely recommend that. All right. And last but not least, and I love the fact that they're actually taping stuff like this up now. I think more subscription boxes need to do that, because a few times it leaked through my whole box and messed my whole box up. So I love this. So what is this? This is by Garnier, a micellar water, and it's waterproof, which I've tried this before and I really love it. Gently cleanses and effectively removes even waterproof makeup. No rinse, no harsh rubbing, just refreshed skin. So this is a good size too if you want to try it out. So let's recap what we got for $7, guys. Micellar water, we got this oil, we got a full-size deodorant, we got toothpaste, we got an eyeliner, and oh my God, this smells so good. We got a body wash and a sample of cotton rounds. I mean, you can't beat that for $7, guys. I would definitely suggest getting this box. All right, the next one, or the last one, is this blue one, which I love this color so much. All right, let's see what's in here. So there we go. So pretty. All right, this doesn't feel as heavy. So this is in blue here. And this is the skincare one. Okay, so there we go. And again, you get a $3 off if you spend $15 or more. And this is only for skincare purchase of $15 or more. All right, so we have a sample size Cetaphil moisturizing cream for your body, dry skin. I don't like foil packets, but something like this I don't mind because I'll use it all up. I don't like the foil packets like when you get like shampoo or conditioner, because if you don't use it all up, it just makes a mess in the bathroom. But this, like I said, I don't mind because I'll use it all over. All right, the next thing is CeraVe, which this is really good. What is this? The cat wasn't on all the way. So this is oh my God, there's hardly anything in there. It's all the way down. I don't know if you guys could see it or not. Jeez. All right, can they spare any? All right, what is this? This is, where are you? Okay, this is Skin Renewing Night Cream. So you might get one use out of this. This here is just, like I said, a moisturizing cream. All right. This here is Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. Right there. Why can't I, find this stuff? All right, it says gently removes dirt, oil, and impurities while microfine granule. Okay, so this is like an exfoliant for your face, which I don't mind exfoliants. I actually love the Dr. Brandt. It's my favorite exfoliant, so that's good. All right, this is La Roche-Posay. Every time I say that, my mind goes dirty. Oh my God. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This is a hydrating gentle cleanser. And it just says gently cleanses while maintaining skin's natural pH balance to restore moisture for a clean and clear complexion. All right, so this is a Dove Dry Skin Body Lotion, which is a decent sized sample. And it's filled up to about there. So, I mean, it's enough to try it. And this just says, clinically proven to replenish extremely dry skin and restore its natural protective barrier over time. So I'm going to definitely use this on my hands. Like I said before, I live in New Jersey, and my hands always get dry and it cracks. I am diabetic too, so that doesn't help. But also my legs always get so dry. All right, and this last thing is from Vinci. I can never pronounce that either. Mineral 89. This is skin. It's a daily booster. And what does it say? Mineral-rich water and hyaluronic acid fortify skin, making it resistant to visible aging. Wouldn't that be nice? All while delivering a boost of hydration. Hello, glow. So that's great. So we got the lotion. We have another lotion. We have a body. No, this is the body, the face scrub. We have a cleanser. We have a nighttime for your face moisturizer and another body moisturizer. And these are really good brands. So I'm not knocking that either for $7. I like the other box a lot better, but this is good too if you like skincare to try these products out. I really like the Target boxes a lot. Comment down below, did you get them? Like I said, I will leave it in my description box. Make sure you try to pick it up. It's definitely worth it. But guys, please like this video if you like these boxes. Dislike it if you don't like this video. Make sure you leave a comment. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.